Yen, dollar, yen. You guys want to see some pain? Yeah. This is where your boys' targets were at. You like that? That make you feel good? We came down to 131.79. I think it was 78 actually, if I remember correctly, at least on my data. My targets were at 131.74. Yeah. This sucks, right? This sucks. Now, here's the cool thing. At least the lesson out of it. The pleasure of trading. Here's the lesson out of a situation like this where you just miss targets. I put this post out on, I've done this before. I put this post out on social media and I say something like, man, missed targets by 4 pips. This sucks. Trading's the worst. Hashtag something, right? There's going to be 2 types of responses. And the types of response that you get will tell you who is a successful trader, who is an unsuccessful trader. You're going to have one half say, Akil, why didn't you just take targets early? And you're going to have the other half say, yeah, I've been there, man. Sucks, but that's trading, or the pleasure of trading. And that tells you all you need to know about the discipline level of a trader and the mindset. If someone says, why didn't you just take targets early? You know exactly what type of trader they are. First and foremost, the question would be why? Why would I take targets early? I've got a big red. I've got an area that gives me positive signs that we're not going up, right? Fighting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles fighting at this level. Good sign. We've got a high momentum bearish candle pushing down, right? It's easy in hindsight. In real life, I got a high momentum bearish candle pushing down, looking like this. Is there any reason I should be anything aside from confident that we're going to hit targets? How confident would you be? Right? You've got this pattern formation right here, stalled at your completion point, booming down. Your targets are right there. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I don't get confident about any trade because I've been doing this so long that I'm numb. But I'm looking at this and I'm like, winner, chicken dinner, right? I'm assuming I have a win because everything is going right. I'm assuming I have a win. So why would I take targets early assuming I have a win? That we just got to get 4 more pips lower. Why would I take targets early in real time? There's no reason, right? There's no reason. And then it happens. Ooh. Punch to the gut. Ooh. It happens, man. It happens. Do you bail as it goes back up, right? Do you bail when it's here? No, because, markets retrace. Do you bail here? No, markets retrace. Do you bail here? Well, now you're back to break even. Not quite break even, but you get what I'm saying. Close to break even. Right? Is there any reason to bail at any point? So the group that says, why did you just take targets early? Well, of course, in hindsight, right? In hindsight, I'm not going to lie to you guys. In hindsight, 1, I'd never lose because every time it lost, I would just be like, nah, I wouldn't have took that. 2, I'd still be in every trade that wins because I would never take it out if it keeps going higher, right? So there's no point of hindsight. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't help us at all. Maybe it makes us feel better. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. It makes you feel better for a few minutes, but does it help your account? No, because you still took a loss. Does it help your future? No, because now you got these evil thoughts about how you can sabotage yourself next time, right? The fact is, this is the harsh reality. This is what people don't like hearing. This is why people say I'm unmotivating and discouraging. You got to eat it. This is trading. You eat it. You're going to have some trades where you just get hit for targets before it stops you out or before it goes against you. Whew, got lucky. You're going to have trades where I've had trades before where I swore I was stopped out, but for some reason I avoided it because of a spread or slippage or something, a reverse slippage, and it went on to win. And I'm like, I don't know how it happened, but I'll take it, right? You have those times, and you have times like this. This is a perfect example. We talk about process over outcome. You judge yourself on the process. Did I do everything right? This is where we talk about grading your trades. Have a section in your journal about grading your trades. Grade your analysis, grade your entry, grade your in-trade decision-making or emotions, grade your exit. And if you got a grade A, or I do it 1 through 5, but if you got a grade A or a grade 5 on all of them, tap yourself on the back. Because guess what? If you allow yourself to get into the habit of taking trades early, and I have a friend that did this and it ended very badly. You start off by taking trades early right here. And again, there's no reason to take this trade early right here because it showed you every sign of a winner. But it starts here because of a little bit of fear. Oh, I don't know. Last time I missed by 4 pips, so this time I'm just going to take it out 4 pips early. Next time, it's here. Next time, it's here. Next time, it's here. Next time, it's here. I swear to God, I told the story before. My best friend, right, had this trading strategy. And it started off with like a 2-to-1 risk reward. And he had a trade that just missed targets. Right? So the next trade, guess what he started doing? He started taking it off a little bit earlier, right? He took it off right here. Then eventually he got a trade where he just missed targets. So he started taking off a little bit earlier. Like a month later, he was taking targets at about half the place where he was supposed to. And he ruined his edge because his edge was based off that 2-to-1 win percentage, right? His trading strategy was like 40% or something like that with 2-to-1 risk reward, positive strategy. But now he was still a 40% trader. Maybe he went up a little bit, like 45%, but now he was 1-to-1. Doesn't make profit. That's what you're going to face if you get into the habit of early profit taking, right? It's one of the trading sins. Moving stops back, early profit taking, one of the trading sins. If you allow yourself to accept it here and you justify it and you congratulate yourself for doing it, you're just going to do it more. You're just going to do it more. It's like any habit out there. Once you start a bad habit, you don't just do it once, it continues. And then before you know it, it's actually a habit and you can't even control it anymore. And now you're downward spiraling. So it sucks, man. It sucks. And I will share this suck with you because you guys have seen it plenty of times. But at the end of the day, right? You gotta wipe it off. You gotta brush it off. Cody had the best line. The pleasure of trading. I hate you, Valerie.